Autoga Company Limited is located in Quanzhou City, Fujian Province. The factory land covers an area of more than 9,470 square meters. Autoga Company Limited is located in Nan'an Optoelectronic Information Industry Base, Quanzhou City, Fujian Province. Besides being able to supply our own designed products, we are able to carry out R&D, manufacturing, and also manufacture OEM and ODM orders. As a high-tech enterprise, which is specializing in designing, manufacturing, and integrating the mechanical and electric equipment of gate automation industry, with the help of our excellent, experienced, and well-trained staff, Autoga Company Limited is proud to be capable of carrying out all R&D, production, sales and service at high standard. Our products range includes swing gate operator, sliding gate operator, automatic boom barrier, parking management system, and access control equipment, as well as the main accessories of gate automation, remote control, receiver, control panel, photocell, RFID card reader, Bluetooth card reader, access control system, RF wireless touch transmitters, etc. Our constant improvement in quality control, innovation, and post-sale service has enhanced our company's reputation for manufacturing quality products for more than 50 countries and areas. Based on the core value of our factory, integrity, teamwork, win-win, innovation, responsibility, our team is dedicated to providing all our customers with high-quality products and excellent service. We sincerely welcome you to come to establish a win-win business relationship with us.